I could let you have it. You could be my heaven. You could be my woman, right? I don't want you having. Anytime I know you're living in the hole. Anytime I know.
Hey guys. Alright, so I'm currently sitting on this bed right now in front of this photo wall because this is probably going to be one of the last few times that I film in front of it anyway, and considering the fact that I just put it up, I'm upset. But it's okay, I'm going to take a few photos and bring them, because if you guys don't know what I'm talking about right now, you either don't read my description boxes or you also don't follow me on Instagram, so be sure to follow me on Instagram. But basically, your girl is moving to New York City. And honestly, these next couple of days are just going to be me completely getting ready for that process. I've already packed like everything. I gave one complete whole suitcase to the people that I'm moving in with. It's a long story. I don't really know when I should tell it, but actually I'm just gonna explain it now because I feel like otherwise things will get confusing later down the road. So let's just go ahead and explain it now. I'm moving to New York. I'm not going to college or school, as you guys may know already from other videos, but I'm going because, as you guys know, I do performing arts, musical theater, dance, all that kind of stuff. So I got the opportunity to move because it just so happens that someone that I know someone that needed some help to watch their child while in New York. He's 8 months old. He's honestly the cutest kid ever. She has a really irregular schedule for her opera gigs, yeah, and it's for the next 3 months for right now, so it's till December. So technically I'm only moving for 3 months, but honestly I'm probably just gonna stay up in New York and like completely move there. Like I mean I'm already up there, so why not, because all my stuff is kind of up there. So basically, so she needed someone to watch her kids. She wanted someone who graduated from high school, who's not going to college, who's really responsible and mature. Is that me? I don't know. And like also wants to pursue the performing arts because it's just kind of, it's a win-win for both situations, you know. She wants someone trustworthy in order to watch her kid while she's at rehearsals and performances and whatnot, and she also wants to give someone the opportunity to live in New York City for free and just kind of explore the city, because there's going to be a lot of days when she's off, and there's going to be a lot of days when I'm going to have time to do anything that I want because I'm just up there in the city. During this time I'm going to be auditioning and just doing so many fun things and like being with all my friends, because almost half my friends live in New York City anyway, so that's great. But yeah, so that's kind of why I'm moving to New York City. So I'm not living alone, and people think that I have my own apartment and all that stuff. That's not true. I'm living with people in an apartment. They're super cool people, they're awesome, and yeah, so I'm just moving in with the mom and their kid, and yeah, so it's gonna be super fun. I've already packed. I gave them one whole suitcase because they're driving up there, but I'm flying up there, so she paid for my ticket to fly up to New York. So I'm flying in 4 days. I leave on the 2nd. I leave on Labor Day, which is going to be kind of crazy, but so yeah, that's what's currently the vibe. One suitcase is completely packed downstairs too, and then the other one is with them, so I don't have to worry about it. So now I basically have no clothes in my closet, nothing really to have, like everything else is just packed, you know, and then I need a carry-on in my backpack, which is what I went up to New York City with last time, as you guys would know if you watched my packing video. I kind of have like nothing to do, but today I am getting my hair cut. We're gonna go along for that journey, and then I have to straighten it so that she can cut it evenly, because when you cut curly hair it doesn't really cut evenly, you know what I'm saying, and it's hard to kind of gauge where everything fell. And last time I didn't straighten my hair for her to cut it again after, so it's really uneven and weird. You can't tell when it's curly, but when it's straight you can definitely tell. Yeah, and I'll definitely be back in Charlotte anyway in December, because long story short, I gotta get my wisdom teeth removed. We're not gonna talk about it because it freaks me out, and yeah, I might actually have to fly back down during some point during my New York journey to get them out, depending on if they decide to be difficult. So that's basically it. So yeah, I think this is gonna be a fun little vlog because it'll be everything towards leading up to moving to New York, and that should be really fun. So let's just like organize my life, I guess. I'm going to pick some pictures off the wall to take to New York because I want some of my pictures, and yeah, so let's do that. Also, I'm like digging the makeup today. I look really pale on camera, don't know why, but I'm not, I promise. I'm still tan. Yeah, I look really pale. I don't know what's up. This is my color. I need to break this thing down to take it to New York, so that might be something that I do now, because I don't know. I need to do it at some point anyway. So there's this. I need to break down. I need to kind of start packing everything. My sister definitely has to wash those. And yeah, I need to plan out what I'm taking from here. I'm basically taking all my makeup and skincare, so it's not that difficult. Another thing, I got a new straightener set / curling set from Numi, and I also got a blow dryer set because I just needed a new one. I haven't gotten a new one since 2015. I think I need to add like 2 more pairs of shoes, but I mean, it shouldn't be that bad because all my clothes are already packed. Like, all my clothes are already with them, so I should be fine. But I worry because I like to overpack, especially because I am moving. So I don't know, I just feel like overwhelmed. Okay, so now I'm gonna just pick the pictures that I want to take. This is gonna be really hard because I don't want to take like 50, but I also don't want to, like, I don't know, miss an important one. So I'm just gonna pick a few. Yeah, so I'm just sad because I want to appreciate this photo wall because I literally worked so hard. If you guys didn't see the previous video, you guys wouldn't know, but I love this wall. It's my all being. So yeah, I don't know. So I actually grabbed a couple more photos from downstairs. It was just these 2 because I think they were cute. I have all my stuff ready now to get to the hair salon, so I will see you guys after this. It's cut, but I'm gonna wash it. She's shorter now, it's obvious, but she's cute, isn't she? Oh, my mom. But yeah, I'm gonna straighten it because she needs to cut some of it, but it's shorter. I'm glad. I told her I wanted it shorter, and yeah. Okay, they're talking a bit loud, but here's the hair. She's fun, isn't she? I like it. I needed a light change, but yeah, just thinning it out and whatnot. That was fun. Okay guys, I'm actually back home. This is the hair. We've already established that. It's fine. Okay, we actually went to Target and I bought a couple things, and then I also went to Marshall's, I think, and we bought a couple things, but we're back home, and that's kind of that for today. Hello, it is the 31st. I leave in 2 days. I'm currently in my mom and dad's bathroom. I'm getting ready for the day because I got to teach a dance class tonight and you guys are coming along for that. So yeah. Hello? Hello? Nothing?
Oh my god, never mind. Alright then.
Okay, bye.
Oh, okay, bye.
Yay! Oh my god, I'm so excited. I have a combination too. It's something that's super fun. Hopefully not emotional, but I don't know, we'll see. Okay, hair's done. She's a little voluptuous right now and I can't really tone her down, so we're just gonna thrive with that. But I'm gonna continue watching Handmaid's Tale. Guys, I'm on season 3. It's kind of the best, so yeah, Jade's judging me over there.
No, I didn't know she was still gonna watch Handmaid's Tale. I thought she was done.
Me?
No, I thought you were done watching it for today. Like for right now, because you're already watching something.
She just hates me. Okay, hi guys! Y'all can say like a verbal hi. Hi!
I tell my baby, let's take a break from being normal.
Hey guys, want to take over? I'm a friend. Okay, bye. Love you, Jada. You got this.
It's the day before I leave. Oh, what is this? Ew! Okay, changed into a sports bra because it's just too hot. Okay, well. Okay, so we broke it down already and I put it in here. It's inside that thing. I just had to wrap it in something so it's not like clinking against everything else. Alrighty guys, I have a pinwheel on my head, but it's currently like 12:30-ish and it is officially moving day. It literally feels as if it was just yesterday when I went to New York for like 2 weeks and then came back home, but now I'm going there to stay for time being. And yeah, I posted an Instagram post a couple hours ago and I was just kind of like, I don't know where my feelings are, I don't know where my emotions are. I just feel kind of all over the place and I don't know really what to feel. I feel a lot of things. I feel really just happy and elated, but I also feel sad, confused. I don't know, I feel a lot of things just because I guess I'm leaving a past behind that I want to leave behind, and I also want to move forward, but the unknown is really scary and sometimes a path not many people want to take, but like, I don't know, just going there is the first step. I've always wanted to move, especially to LA, but yeah, we're going with New York and New York is just as good in my opinion. I've learned to have a love for New York, so I think I'm gonna love it when I'm there. But yeah, it's hard to say goodbye to my house because I'm not used to the whole moving situation. I've lived in the same house since I was a little girl, since the day I was born. Literally, like a fetus, little girl. So it's gonna be really weird because I never really moved before. I've only been to places for like weeks at a time or a couple months in Singapore, things like that, but like I'm also alone and like I feel alone right now, even though I shouldn't, because I definitely have so many friends up in New York, so I shouldn't be worried. But I don't know, it's just a weird kind of bittersweet growing up moment and just knowing that I might not ever be really living in this house anymore, and I haven't gotten the chance to digest that until I just said that out of my mouth. So kind of scary. Currently, mentally, that's where I'm at. I'm packing last minute things right now. Honestly, the whole packing process was just disgusting and all over the place, so didn't want to film that because it was just a lot, but you guys got the gist. One of my pieces of luggage is already up in New York, so we've already established that. So I've got that one that I zipped up earlier, and I have the one downstairs that has all my liquids in it that I need to add a couple more things into, I think, because yeah. And then I have a backpack, so I'm gonna go pack the backpack now, and then when Jay gets out the shower we're going to go and pack all the other miscellaneous things. So yeah, let's go and pack a backpack. Okay, so we're downstairs. This is my backpack, classic old backpack. It's kind of the best thing ever. It's also kind of the worst thing ever because it's old, but yeah. First order of business, laptop. We don't leave anywhere with sister laptop. She goes in the back so that it's easy to take in and take out. We're gonna go with second biggest thing, journal. Gotta bring this girl, create journal, this agenda, this journal. Oh my god, that's already like everything. Okay, we're gonna put markers on the side, pencil case, and my Sharpie pen is upstairs. I need to fit this journal that my friend Jasmine gave me. She goes to all my dance classes and she's super sweet, and she gave me this journal, and I've been eyeing it for the longest time while in Target, and she got it for me not knowing that I wanted it. So this is really cute. I love journals, as you can see. Look at this. Like laptop charger. We're gonna go with the no makeup look to New York tomorrow. Guys, it's closed. Okay, hopefully that doesn't weigh over 50 pounds. Does that say 145?
No.
Oh god, I was so scared.
32.
Okay, done. Cool. We managed to close that big one too, and it's almost 2 in the morning. Yay.
It's really heavy.
Here we go the other way. You can roll it. Oh,
No, it's too dirty.
Good morning. Can't even see the light. Like, it's just not. Okay. It's not picking it up very well. We're at the airport! Yay!
Yeah, it smells like airport. Oh, we're still right. Yeah, it's right there.
Wait,
are you sure that's it?
Wow.
Well, what's the departure, man?
We're going down.
Can't wait for the golden system. We been saying clean on Saturday ring, I call that ballin'. If it hit this ring, that's what I mean when I say love. Let's take a break from me.
if you guys can hear me or not, but I'm in my New York place. Hold on. No. Tomorrow I'm gonna unpack more. I went to the store today. I'm busy. Just trying to focus on my life.
My hands. I just wanna mic with a stand. I just wanna catch one glance. I just wanna see you dance, girl. I just wanna, I just wanna shine like my